Going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today is gonna be a little short video of me unboxing a part we got in. So as you can tell by the title, those are what I got in. So I'll go ahead and flip the camera and go ahead and open up this box. You guys are seeing it firsthand, just like me today, or just like me right now. So yeah, so I'll go ahead and flip this and we'll get started unwrapping this box. So it's right there. Got about that far in the door and I was tired, so I'm just gonna open it up right there. So yeah, I'll go ahead and set this camera up on the tripod, and then I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys what we got. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Braum Racing. So they're gonna be seats. Let me grab a knife. Yeah, so we, how much we paid for these. I will leave a link in the description of where we got them from. It did take about 3 months to get them because of the coronavirus has everything fucked up for ordering. So yeah, so we just got them in. It took us about 3 months, but they're here. And then I will be putting these in the black RSX probably this weekend, Saturday. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'll be dropping that video how to put those in. Yeah. Sounds like hardware. Bunch of hardware. Hopefully comes with instructions because I've never put any seats in like this before. Ooh. Dirty. Cut the box all the way down. Cut up one more. Hopefully I don't need the box. Pretty nicely well packed. We already bought the racks that it sits on. Already got those. Let's say the packaging is really nice. Pretty light. Like Christmas. Oh, opening up a present on Christmas Day. These things are pretty nice. Alright, let me set it all up. Braum. So these are cloth. They're all cloth, they're not leather. Pretty nice. So yeah, I'll go ahead and untake them both out, and then I'll set them up and then give you guys a closer view of what they look like. Get off that seat. So yeah, so we paid about 600 bucks for these. Not too bad for the pair. So I was going to leave a link in the description of where we bought them, but we really didn't like the company we bought them through. It wasn't their fault for the delivery, of course, because the corona had everything messed up, but they weren't really good on keeping us up to date with our package. Our package basically sat a couple days. You know, we had to email them and, you know, like, hey, where's our stuff? And they said, oh, it's sitting right here, you know, stuff like that. So I'm not gonna leave the description of where I got them, but like I said, we paid around 600 bucks for these. Not too bad for a set. Yeah, so there they are. So yeah, so I'm going to be replacing this Recaro with those Braums. I'm going to end up putting this seat in the red RSX, and that's a base model regular cloth seat. I'll be replacing those two. So yeah, check out this freaking, I don't know if you guys can see it, but all the smoke. We've got a bunch of fires right now in Northern California. Basically it's burning everywhere, all around us. All around us in California right now is burning. So I'm going to replace that Recaro and that base seat with those Braums. Alright, so there they go. They are cloth, like I said before. Came with the sliders and the bars to adjust the sliding. So I'll go ahead and give you a closer look in. Here's the stitching on them. It's pretty nice. Yeah, pretty good quality. They are recliners, so they recline back and forth. Like I said, this is going to be so much better to have these ones in than to have that freaking Recaro in there. But yeah, they are pretty damn sexy, I'd have to say. So I will go ahead, when I get the time, probably Saturday, I will go ahead and drop a video on how to install the sliders and the bottom plates to put into and put into the black RSX. So yeah, so they are pretty nice. Like I said, they're pretty light. They're not that heavy. There's the back sides of them. I don't know if you guys can really see, but like I said, they're pretty good quality. Not too bad. Stitching looks pretty nice. I said they came packaged really nice. I give them props on that. The packaging was really nice. Let's go ahead. Let's take a seat, see what we got here. Whoa. Yeah. Feel pretty comfy. Not too bad. I like it. Be shifting gears. Yeah. So yeah, there they are. So go ahead and stay tuned for the video we're gonna drop. I'll drop one of these on the install and how to put them together and everything like that. All right. So yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and K all day.